So these three tips which I'm going to share are going to change your Gmail journey forever. These tips will make your Gmail more professional and your life more professional as well. Hello friends, if you are a professional or a freelancer like me who uses Gmail daily in professional life, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to share few tricks and tips that you can use in your Gmail and you can make your Gmail more productive and more professional. I use Gmail daily in my life, and I hope you are also using Gmail daily in your life, except if you are not working for a company that provide their custom email. So these three tips which I am going to share are going to change your Gmail journey forever. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and let's get started. So basically you need to make three settings or three changes in your Gmail that can make your Gmail more professional and more productive. And the first tip and the first setting is to turn your Gmail into WhatsApp. Yes, you heard it right. So as you know that in your WhatsApp, if someone reads your message, you get to know through blue ticks. So the same blue ticks you can use in your Gmail. You can actually track your emails. So most of the time when we are sending emails to other person, we only get to know if they reply to that email. So through this setting, you can actually get to know that when they open email, at what time they have opened the email, and you'll also get to know if they clicked on the attachment that you have sent. And to apply this setting, we are going to use a Gmail extension, and the name of that Gmail extension is mailtrack.io. So you just need to go to Chrome browser, type mailtrack extension, click on the first link. So this page will open and you can see this is Mailtrack. Earlier it was Mailtrack and now it is Mailsuite. So as I've already added it as an extension, so it is asking me to remove. It will show you to add to Chrome. So once you add it, you simply can track all of your emails, the emails that you send to your prospects. So here on the send, I'll click on the send. So here you can see all my sent mails and you can see WhatsApp like ticks here, and here two mails, they have been sent and they have been tracked. The prospect has opened this email, and if you look at this one, so nobody has read your last email yet, so it has been sent but the prospect hasn't opened this. Okay, and this has been sent and opened. So this way, you can track your Gmail activity in real time. So this is sort of like WhatsApp. So this is quite helpful if you are a professional and if you are a freelancer, if you do cold emailing and something like that. And the second tip is to add your custom email address in your Gmail. Generally your Gmail looks like this, your name @gmail.com. But what if you add a custom domain to it? For example, info@yourname.com. So that you can add in your Gmail. For that you need to have a domain name, and that you can buy from domain provider websites like GoDaddy. We'll get very cheap domains. For example, 500 rupees for a year. So you simply go to godaddy.com. From this website you can buy cheapest domain. So once you buy cheapest domain from here, then you can use them in your Gmail. So how to use that in your Gmail, you can find simple tutorials on YouTube how to do that. So I'll quickly show you. You have to go to your Gmail, then you need to click on the settings, see all settings, and then click on accounts and imports. You can see send mail as, this is my actual email address. So if I click on add another email, so here I'll add my custom email, and the name of that custom email is hello@faisal-siddiqui.com. If I click on next, then it will ask me to add the SMTP server name. You'll find all this information in your hosting provider. All the information regarding your custom email you will find in your cPanel. As I have created my email account in cPanel, so my web hosting provider is Hero Hosty. Actually I've got the cheapest web hosting here, only 500 rupees for whole year. So I have created an email account which is this one, hello@faisalsiddiqui.com. You need to click on connect device. You get all the information here, your SMTP information. So once you copy all the information in your Gmail, it will show you that your custom email address has been added to your Gmail. So after that you will get a confirmation email that reads as, you have requested to add hello@faisalsiddiqui.com to your Gmail account. So here's the link. So I'll click on this link to confirm, and I'll click on confirm. So as you can see, the Gmail user may now send mail as hello@faisalsiddiqui.com. So now when I compose an email, if I click on this, you can see I have an option to send mails from my custom email, and if I select my custom, then I can send to anyone. And now in next video I'll show you how to get this signature professional. Now the third tip and setting is to use your professional signature in your email. So for that you need to go to your Gmail, and when you click on settings, see all settings, and when you scroll down, you can see this is
my signature. So here, thanks Faisal Siddiqui, my website, my Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn links. So how you can do that is you can do everything here only when you click on edit. So if you are wondering how did I do this one, this round, you can simply do this in your Canva. So you can like design this simple templates in Canva by taking a frame and putting your picture in, and these are all text. I've written all this text here, and about this Instagram symbol, I've just imported it by clicking it insert image. So you can simply insert image here. You can upload the photos from here, and once you upload the photos, they will appear here, and you can drag and drop them wherever you want. So whenever you send an email to someone, so this auto signature will appear.
So I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.